Hi, this is Sarita from ECE department at KLH University. Our KLH University is far beyond fun, where we get to build and grow both technically and academically. Our KLH University provides sessions like guest lectures, workshops, webinars, industrial visits and whatnot. These sessions bridge the gap between classroom learning and real-world applications. The guest lectures where we get to interact with professional experts from prestigious universities like IITs and IIITs, coming to project expos where students showcase their innovations such as building drones, robotic cars. We team up with our friends and build stuff and get feedbacks from faculty, which helps us build our skills more. What is impressive in our college is it aligns with these activity specializations we like, whether it is AIML, embedded systems, robotics and every course which we provide in our college. One standard thing in our college is that we get to interact with the professional bodies like IET, student chapter. Overall, these opportunities at our KLH University enrich our knowledge and let us prepare for the real world career.
Hello everyone, I am Chandana from ECE department at KL University. I am here to share my insights about cultural events and other sports fitness. So here we have very much cultural events like Vivencia. This is a very good event of cultural and technical together. Technical means we have code conquer like events we have shared, and we are here to develop skills like coding, dance and music and so much more. We can share it together, and also these talents are recognized and awarded with a special certificates and other benefits throughout the semester in every fest. And also in sports we have very special mentors to encourage you in every sports aspect, and if you are interested in cricket, basketball, we have a special coach for them, and also indoor games like table tennis and other. And we find a real world problem and think about the technical solution throughout the semester, and also we get these some points by doing these projects. And KL University is not about learning academics, it's also about learning throughout the semester using every aspect of your life.
Hey everyone, this is Lasika, a third year student from EC department. I would like to share my academic flexibilities which are offered in KL University. Here, my personal experience is that I am a third year student in VLSI domain, which I would like to pursue this career from my childhood. KL has offered this course with a wide range of faculties from various departments. And then here we have 3 terms, unlike other colleges where they have 2 terms, some even and odd. Here we have the 3rd term, which is summer term, which helps me to utilize the time further for my higher education internships, challenges, coding rounds, which help me to pursue a lot more in my career. One of my favorite moments in KL is where I have participated in a 24 hackathon in completely immersing myself in 24 hours in VLSI, where I get to know more about VLSI field, working with Cadence tools which was already installed in our labs. It was very useful for me to further proceed in my career.